Hi guys, Supreme Court have rejected the plea to postpone the NEET and JEE exam. 11 states, students of 11 states have raised a bill against NEET exam to cancel the NEET exam to postpone it permanently. So the plea have been rejected. The exam will happen and will happen on time. This is where we come into picture as well. This is a big news for the caretaker as well, because every day I get this question from students, sir, CAT will happen now, NMAT will happen now. So this is if NEET can happen, CAT will happen. Yeah, if NEET can be conducted with lakhs and lakhs of people, so CAT obviously will happen. COVID may continue for an year or more. This is the statement by the judge. COVID may continue for the year or more. Are you going to wait for another 1 year for the exams or not? Yeah, by the students by 11 states against the hearing. So the judge have said if the courts can open up, judge have said this word in the court in this hearing, that if courts can open up, why can't exam get conducted? You can't waste student career here. Colleges are waiting for students have to wait. See, colleges exam can go online, that is a different issue. How the mode of conduct is a separate issue. We're not talking about that issue now. We're only talking about whether to conduct the exam or not. So answer is very simple here. Exam will happen. If NEET is happening, if JEE is happening for IITs, so obviously for IIMs, CAT will happen. So this confirms the news. So guys, please don't think about CAT nahi hoga to kya hoga. See, all these excuses you are getting in your mind because of the fact that uncertainty is coming, because your preparation is not going good. So focus on your preparation, guys. Please don't think about any of these negative things. If any news come, I'll be the first person to keep you updated about all these things. That's my promise to you. But please, even if the exam get postponed, यार तुम्हारी preparation थोड़ा change होने वाली है. CAT maths तो आने वाला ना. Fine. So why you doing that? Why you focus on everything else? Let's just focus on your preparation. Yeah. So this statement actually summarizes everything. COVID may continue for ऐसा नहीं होता बोला कि होएगा ही होएगा. May continue for 1 year, but we can't wait for that. Yeah. Thank you, Parth, for sending me this news. Parth have been sending me news very often and very up to date. Parth is more updated than me on all these things. So guys, any news you come across, please do send me. I'll give you the analysis of how it is going to affect us as an MBA. I was waiting for that. Tomorrow we have another major hearings coming up. We have the hearing from IIM Ahmedabad admission process, Jamnalal Bajaj admission process, and TISS admission process. So we have to wait and watch for tomorrow, because tomorrow if IIM Ahmedabad is told by court to change the process, it will be a very, very big news which will be affecting everybody. Alright, so let's wait and watch for that. So as of now, guys, CAT is happening. So please don't let your preparation get affected because of this. All the best. So we're launching this program at CET King. In case you want to join our program for books, mocks, shortcuts, the description box I given the numbers where you can join us. Alright, all the best.